Hi beautiful people! Thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about fig leaves. So this is one huge one and let me show you other ones. We've got the smaller ones here and here this one hasn't got the typical shape yet, it's too small. I just wanna tell you about be careful about this bit because when you harvest this there is like white sap and it will be dripping and it is a skin irritant. I will show you here as well. So this is where the white sap is and this is where it will be dripping. So when you harvest this, ideally wear gloves and don't let it touch your skin. Mine were harvested yesterday. You can see it's a bit wet. I am keeping them in the fridge and I put a tiny bit of water there, so I keep them sort of fresh. Just watch out for this, and I was wearing gloves yesterday. So basically I live in exotic England. Well, you know how sarcastic I am, but what is happening? Somebody's got wonderful fig tree in front of his house, but unfortunately the summer here is not good enough and the beautiful figs are not gonna ripen, I am afraid. I was looking into fig leaves and I always wanted to try fig leaf tea, but somehow I never got around it. And when I saw this, I was like, I need to take advantage of this. So I was like, never mind the figs, they are not gonna ripen. I really love fresh figs. I don't know anything what can be better than fresh figs. But I was looking into some benefits of fig leaf tea, and obviously you need to do your research. Fig leaf tea is apparently very good for regulating blood sugar. So somebody who is suffering with diabetes might find it particularly useful. But as I said, you need to make your own research. It's really good for heart health and it's really good also for digestion, and it's really full of minerals and vitamins, and who wouldn't like figs? So what I did, I've got loads of fresh ones which I keep in the fridge, and in the morning I just put it in pan, bring it to boil and boil it for 5-10 minutes, and then I drink it as a tea. You can play with it, you can put a couple of the leaves, I don't know, 5, 6, sort of, depending on the size, and longer you will obviously boil it for, the darker the color it will get. And yes, I wanted to show you before I'm gonna use it because I've got only couple, and you can see this one is massive. So you can cook like fish or meat in it. You can like sort of use it as wraps, and you can use it as a flavoring as well. Just put it while you're cooking your soup or stew to enhance the flavor. So you can really play with this. And I also dried some because I'm gonna make a tea for later. So you can see they've got really pleasant smell. I put it in the dehydrator and I wish you could smell it. It has got really pleasant smell. So when it was drying, it was like really nice to smell it, and now I can smell the wonderful stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crumble them. I'm gonna get rid of these ones, and I just store it for later. So this is a quick tip for you, and here is a closer look. If you don't know what fig leaves look like, and just keep an eye on them. You would be surprised how many fig trees are in England. You can find them on the street as well. So let me know if you manage to find any. And these are the dry ones. These are the ones which I'm gonna crumble into pieces for the lovely tea later. The flavor, it's not very strong. You need to really experience yourself, depending how many leaves you put in it, how long you boil it for. It's really okay on its own, but I think it would be even better as part of like tea blends. So you go and play with it and let me know in the comments below what you do with yours. You can also check the video above where I was making my own teas from different wildflowers and seeds and whatever I find to get some inspiration. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, share with your friends and family, spread some love, leave me some comments, and thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.